Hello, I'm Beth, and I am here along with
Avery
and
Ellie.
and today we are going to make some monster and mummy
Mummy
cards as
cards.
part of my June Kilopad project. And my girls both love making cards, so I decided to bring them along in this fun little project. Ellie, how old are you?
7.
And Avery, you're
5.
5. And they are actually doing their first craft fair. It's a kids craft fair in a few weeks. So some of the cards that they make will actually be used in their craft fair. Like I said, this is part of my June Kilopad project, which has a fall and Halloween theme. And it had 2 patterned papers in it. One, which was like this fabric strip, which very much screamed mummy to me. And then this, which looked like monster hair, kind of like white hair on a black background, just made me think of monsters. So a while back on Pinterest, I had seen an example kind of like this, where they had actually made strips of paper going across the card, tore out a little bit and added some googly eyes. So I kind of took that idea. Mine was just simplified because my paper already had this fabric strips like as the pattern. And then I added a happy haunting sentiment at the bottom. So I have everything. I have my cards already made, and then everything else is prepped and ready to go. But we are working with A2 size cards, card bases, so they are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And out of each 12 by 12 sheet of paper, I was able to get 4 pieces that were 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, and then there was a thinner strip left on the side, and it measured 3 7/8, and so I just cut those down to 3 7/8 by 5, and then added a black mat behind that, which was 4 5 1/4. So they end up being like similar, like size mat in the end when you add the black cardstock. Like I said, we have everything prepped and ready to go. We have tons of googly eyes. We rated our googly eye stash. Some of them have the backs that peel off, and then others didn't, so we've already got those stuck on glue dots so we can peel and go. We used our Xyron sticker maker to put adhesive on the teeth little triangles that we cut out of some white strips of paper. We have our happy haunting sentiments, which I stamped on white cardstock and then pre-cut. And we are ready to make our cards.
Okay.
So for this next step, we will go ahead and set it to music and speed it up, and you can watch us work. All right, so our monster and mummy cards are complete. We got how many cards, Ellie?
36.
36 cards. We have 18 mummies and 18.
It was so much fun.
It was
making
fun.
them.
Thank you guys so much for your help. And like I said, the girls are doing their first craft fair. It's a kids market that's part of our town's farmers market here in a few weeks.
Town hall.
Yep, they are very excited. They've got some cards. They've got some coasters and zipper pulls, keychains, some other fun stuff. But anyway, again, these cards were part of my June Kilopad project. And I hope for the next few weeks to have some more project shares and tutorials that are part of my June pad that I'm working on. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching and sitting with us as we had some fun making some fun cards.
Subscribe and thumbs up.
That's right. Please subscribe and give us a
comment
thumbs up
below.
if you like this video. Give us a comment if you liked our cards. And hopefully we'll have some more videos coming to you next week. Thanks, guys.
And
Have a
I
great
lost
night.
a tooth.
That's right. Ellie lost her third tooth the other day. Thanks. Have a good night.
Bye-bye.